To get premium trading and investing tips, support on Patreon. How's it going, everybody, and welcome to another Market Watch video. Guys, today EA has released this a league, Champions League, as we see, with great prizes. Some of the packs are tradable, some are untradeable, and this is bringing up the UCL cards up a lot because they usually require 11 Champions League rare or common players. And what we did, if I just show you this in the Discord, what was my advice in the mass investment channel. Of course, I advised specific UCL cards to be invested in a few weeks back, a week or two back, where they were very low, high rare cards. So the thinking was, you know, for example, Marcelo, that was down to 1.1k and his UCL card was at 1.4. I told myself, you know, that 300 coins of margin it's a bit of a difference, but not much. If you buy Marcelo at 1.4k, mass buy him with the UCL cards, it's better to go on that one, just because if, for example, they release something like this, that they did it right now, it's gonna give him added value and it will bring him higher in value. So this is what you needed to do. Basically, always go with the cards that are a bit higher but more in demand potentially, than go with the cheapest cards. And I keep saying that. I even said this on my latest video. And if I just go through it, I'm gonna show you all of the cards that we bought for close to 1k. And finally, EA, thank you. You put in the UEFA Champions League road to the final cards in there. I didn't see them for a while. But yeah, if we just put in the rare cards, look at how many the 83s or under I do have. I stocked up one of each in my club for this specific moment to sell them probably tonight, because they're going to be higher tonight. And I do think also, because this SBC right now is repeatable, this is going to make us such mad coins. Look at this. Look at how many I have. Look at how many. All of my subs did buy and stored one of each in my club under the 1k value. As soon as they were out and they were very low, we just said that, you know, at some point they're gonna blow up in value, and that's what they did. And I have another tip for you. I'm not here to brag with the profits that we made, but this is all to show you what you guys need to do. Look at the other segment that I have right now. There's going to be a guaranteed team of the week SBC released this year for sure. There's going to be, during the December period, there's going to be Fitness SBCs. They're going to bring these cards in value a lot. So what I did as well, and this is long-term strategy and what we talked about in the stream, you also want to go and invest at the cheapest inform cards. I got Hustenberg here at 11k. I got Rodriguez here at 11k. Chilwell 13k when he was close to the cheapest point. Florenzi 12k. Volland 11k. Pacheco 11k. Joaquin 10k. We got him. You get the idea what I'm doing here. So I basically am going into the cheapest informs, close to further values. Of course, the 86 I got him for a higher value. I got in on this Guerrero at 17k. He's right now at 22k, but I'm not gonna sell him yet. I'm still waiting for the Icon SBC and everything to bring him out. But this is all long-term storing value into your clubs, what you guys should be doing. And the UCL right now, you will be looking at us making this get profits and thinking, screw it, like I didn't go in, I missed the window and all. No, you have another window here on the informs, guys. If you have enough coins to store one of each closest to what their cheapest values is, you're gonna profit as soon as something big drops as well for the informs. It's not gonna be an inform league SBC or something like that, but it's potentially gonna be a guaranteed inform pack. It's gonna be something like the Icon SBCs or the big freaking SBCs that are just gonna require some informs. And you want to go with the 81 plus rated. 80s if they're like on position left back, right backs, or wingers, because those usually do well. But essentially you want to go with the 81 pluses and buy them at the cheapest values. If they're from the top 5 leagues, that's a very much added bonus. And you profit a lot as soon as something big hits. Some of these are already up, but I'm of course not selling because I know they're gonna blow up like the UCLs right now. Guys, the team of the week 7 is on steroids right now, okay? In my red rewards on stream, I packed up Watkins and I packed up a Fabianski. All I wanted was a Konate or maybe Lozano, but the luck wasn't on my side. So yeah, I'm gonna be happy with the Watkins one. I'm gonna try him as a super sub, but I feel like this dude and most of these dudes higher end, I need to refresh this these prices right now. we predicted here, right? This on stream. A lot of people ask me, you know, I saw Lorente down at 180. He's now 225. Will he go even higher? I saw Lozano 150. He was up at 165. I said, no. Just wait for the marquee matchups. Even marquee matchups weren't released right now. We released something else that supplied the market. Wait for it. It's going to go lower. And don't buy right now. Don't buy into Friday. Don't buy into Saturday. Because on Sunday, most likely, most of these cards will be cheapest when they're in packs. Cheapest when they're in packs, guys. Remember that. Because they're going to be even cheaper before the Black Friday period. There's going to be panic. Messi is going to potentially be in the best of Team of the Week supplied, as we were talking about in the previous streams and also the videos. They have released during every Black Friday 10 of the best Team of the Weeks thus far in packs again. And Messi could be reprovided and resupplied, so be very careful. Do not buy these cards right now unless they're fodder value. Because after they're out of packs, of course, they will rise. We saw right now Joao Felix rising. We will see potentially Lorente rising slightly. But as soon as the Black Friday panic hits, as soon as we get into the Black Friday and the resupply of some of these cards, they're going to be lowest. I do predict the cards that are not going to be resupplied during the Black Friday period are going to have a low point after the Sunday, November 22nd. So be careful, be in the stream around that time, guys. Be sure to be in my streams from Monday to Friday, 5:30 p.m. UK time, because we're going to look at these patterns and we're going to go in on anything that we want to buy. I want that Kanate for my team, of course, but I'm not buying yet because I'm sure he's going to go lower. Silva and Roberto, I'm wanting them, as I said yesterday on my yesterday video in the streams, that I'm wanting them for the fodder valued cards, for the icon SBCs and all of that. But right now, they're not yet at the values that I would like to see them. I want them to drop lower, and as soon as they will go closer to like 2 or 3, they just need that 2 or 3k more of a drop, and I'm going in. I just want that for them. And if they do that, I'm definitely starting to pick them up. So yeah, all in all, staying away from this Team of the Week. Remember, buy one of each of the cheapest Team of the Week cards. As you've seen me right now with UCL ones, go with Carlos Soler, Travenier, Alario, Traore. Just buy one of each. Start them in your club for long term. Hold them in there. Wait until something comes up that is bringing it up in value. I'm pretty sure in December something's going to happen with the Team of the Weeks. They're just going to go up. And you're going to thank me then, of course. The next thing that we looked at is the road to final just drop. And I wouldn't sell. I bought a Klosterman at 370. He didn't break that value because he's quite hyped. And I bought a Zakaria at 225. Don't sell them, guys. I do think these guys are up for a rebound. And also on the stream, what we did an team that shouldn't make you lose coins. This is a team that potentially you guys did the rule breaker Mukiele, so we build a team around the cards that shouldn't make you losses. Galassi is fodder value. He should be rebounding. These cards are road to final. As soon as they have a good game, like their teams play well in the Europa League, they're gonna go up. Be careful. If Inter, for example, loses, Perisic is going to go lower than he is right now. Same with Atalanta, with Muriel. If they lose in the next Champions League game, they're going to go low. But if they win, if they play well, they're going to go up. Same with Klosterman, same with Davis, and all of these cards. When they're even out of packs, they're going to start rising. So if you're looking for a team that's not going to make you lose coins and it's pretty OP, you can go with this one. Another thing we did, we put the Hernandez, the two guys, the left back from Milan and the one from the Bayern Munich, as a cooperation here. So we got rid of Davis because he's so high in value, and we bought a Klosterman to put in. So you just change these higher end cards that are more up in value with these two guys, and you're having a very good team that you can play in game with two very solid strikers, Mertens and Muriel, Nengolan, Goretzka, CDMs, and then you have the two wingers. So this is what you can do right now to keep the coin safe. A quite solid team. Don't hype it up. Snipe it under the value that it is right now. For example, you don't want to buy that Mertens over 7k of value, 7.5 on PlayStation. You don't want to buy that Muriel over 55k or something like that. You just want to snipe it under the value that you see in Footbin and just keep the value as you go. So yeah, guys, actually looking at the road to final Europa Leagues, I do think they're still too high. We're looking at Diaby. Diaby is definitely, in my opinion, a card that should be lower. He was down to 58k, but I still think he needs to be lower than that. I feel like the buy day should be close to Saturday, but for the blue cards, I feel like the buy day is either tonight or tomorrow, somewhere like that, before they go out of packs, but I do think it's now. Honestly, most of the cards should be lowest tonight. If you haven't bought them yet, You can even buy them. Should be rebounding. Rashford actually even dropped under 1 million, which was crazy. But yeah, guys, remember Monday to Friday, 5:30 p.m. UK time, streams on Twitch. Make sure to join if you haven't yet. If you have any questions, drop them down below, and I'll see you tomorrow on Twitch. Again, making you guys great profits as always. Have a good one. Cheers.